Back with Crazy version 10.4 review of the elephant trade setup. Now today I'll share with you what is elephant trade setup because we're seeing a couple of them nowadays, and I want you to benefit from it as well. But remember, this can apply as usual. All right, so let's go into that. Okay. So what is an elephant trade setup? All right, so let me just show you on the Dow Jones, be easier to understand. Okay, I think you go first, be easy to understand. Okay, so you can see from here, this is the gold chart. The price of gold is lowering, as you can see, is coming down. So buy right itself coming down, most indicator in the market will show you downside pressure or downside momentum. But you can see on the KSI is green in color. So what does it mean? That means that there are boys buying into the market. All right. So it is something very, very similar. Okay, like this. Okay, show it now on the left side. Let me just get myself. Okay, can you see that this is the price of gold lowering, and yet the boys are buying. So one movement, the market clears all the way to the previous high. Okay, can you see that? Okay, let's try this again. So let's bring it to the back side here itself, where the gold came down strongly, okay, but the boys were all buying. So when the market recovers, it goes back to where it started. Can you see that? Okay, very, very simple. Now, not every time this happens, but majority of time, we do see such phenomenon. And that's whereby, I like people to use this to take advantage of the market. So you can see in a very classical case whereby the price is coming down, and then after that, the boys are buying, and the price goes up. So you can see that price coming down, boys will most generally buying, the price goes up. Okay. Now, of course, in between, if the KSI turns red, buy right, it doesn't have the impact anymore. All right, buy right, it doesn't, yeah. But then again, if the momentum continue, we can consider that. But what we want is perfect KSI, whereby the KSI is all the way green. That will be the best. Okay, like this one here, so you can see the price was all the way coming down, but the KSI stays green in color. So when the market goes up, it goes to exactly where it's supposed to go. Okay, so now gold is coming down right now, as you can see, but the KSI is staying green. So how does it work? So basically, right now, first thing first, you must buy only when the market stays above OP. You cannot buy just randomly, okay? Second of all as well, right, you can still go short in the market by following the rules of day-to-day trading to short it and make money from the market. But it's only when the market goes above OP, then you can trigger the elephant trade setup. And because the KSI is green, my suggestion is that you can buy some and you hold it all the way to this point here. Now, along the way, you can take profit at the KCB. That is fine. But of course, if you can do this here, take some profit, and then let go higher, hits the TP level, then you take the full profit. Okay, so you got an idea now? Okay, so let's just look at the Dow Jones now to make it simple. Now, the Dow Jones, you can see, is climbing up day to day, right? Well, we have a break on Friday, okay, a break on Friday, but the market strongly recovered itself, so the upside is still intact. But the KSI, you can see, is all the way red in color. So very simple. The market will have to go up first, okay, to create an elephant trade setup, and the market must break the low of the previous bar. So in this case right now, right, the market has to really come down and break here. Then we can see a full-fledged selling in the market, okay? All right. So how does it work? So if the market goes down, you trade below OP, you have to break this point here and then close below it, and then you go down to this point, okay? Now that is only if the market wants to sell. But of course, if the market now intraday wants to buy, we just follow through the buying. But because the KSI is red, we try to reduce the size and to reduce the expectation of where it will be going. Okay, so let me show you some Dow trade previously that is following this elephant trade. So you can see on this particular day, the market was down quite a fair bit. In fact, the market was down from here all the way down here, about 1,280 points. Okay, oops, the price jumped, sorry. Okay, so the market came down by 1,280 points. So by right, it's a catastrophe. The market should sell, right? But you notice that despite the market selling so badly, the KSI retained green in color. So when the market recovers, in this case, breaks the high. Now, because the downtrend, when the market is on an uptrend, right? Okay, you want it to break the low so that it will go down to where it starts. So where it's the other way around, when the market is a downtrend first, okay, the market will break the high and goes to where it has begun, which is here. Okay, got the idea? So now, very simple. I know that when the Dow goes up, right, it will go back to where it is, and you can see the market go there perfectly. Got the idea now? Yeah, okay. So same idea. You can see right here itself, the market was going all the way up. Then the KSI stays red. Once the market breaks the previous low, okay, it will go back to where it started. You see, amazing. All right, guys, so you hope you understand this elephant trade setup itself, and you can utilize it on different markets as long as they are indexes, there's commodities, forex, fine. Now for stocks itself, it's not as good, yeah. So avoid using elephant trade on stocks. Okay, this is Kel signing off. Take care. Bye-bye.